Namaste. This is K. Pratyusha Reddy, astrologer and Vastu expert, and I'm one of the students of Krish Murali sir. And before learning KP astrology from Krish Murali sir, I was thinking that astrology is only a prediction tool. But learning KP astrology from sir changed my life and as well as my clients' lives also. It made my predictions more precise, more accurate, and all my clients who came to me, I listened to them patiently, and this patience was totally learned from Krish Murali sir. Before meeting him, frankly speaking, I was not that patience person. But the way he handled the class, the way he handled the students in the class, the way he listens to the queries and answer them in the class, I used to observe him and try to implement it in my life also. Then it changed a lot of my situations, my problems, and everything. Actually, in past, my predictions were not such accurate, but after learning KP astrology, now mostly my predictions are accurate, and I'm listening to my clients that they're happy with my predictions, and they would like to recommend me to others for their life problems. And sir teaches us that astrology is not the problem solving tool in our life. He teaches us that astrology shows you the direction, and you are the one to decide what to do with that direction. So, this thought process and everything implemented a lot in my life also. And the main thing is that Sir says us about manifesting and the Dhana Akarshana mantra. So, when I started listening to it in class, I started implementing it in my life also. After starting this manifestation and Dhana Akarshana mantra regularly with a discipline, I observed that a lot of confidence has built in me, and I'm getting a lot of knowledge easily, and the manifesting has cleared a lot of blocks in my life. The Dhana Akarshana mantra also helped me with abundance. The money flow has been stable in my life. So, these two are the very powerful tools in astrologer's life to recommend to their clients. And I recommended to many of my clients these two process of manifesting and Dhana Akarshana mantra to solve their problems. And the clients who followed them with discipline were very happy with it. They have good results with it, and they are saying that this is the wonderful thing that has happened to us. And that's what I have said to sir also, that these two are the very wonderful things that happened in my life, sir. And I don't know what is the relation with you in my past life or anything. But listening to you and just seeing you also, I can calm down. And you helped me a lot getting into this astrology. And if I have any doubts also, you have addressed it in a very patient manner. The person who learns KP astrology from sir will never look back. So learn KP astrology from Chris sir to be a best astrologer. Thank you.